starting to rain. We're starting this vlog in the car again. I just dropped the kids off at my mom's house. Sam is in the West Coast. He's been there all week for work, so I've had the kids to myself all week. Just dropped the kids off at my mom's house for the whole weekend. I almost jumped on a flight to go to San Diego to meet Sam, but I mean, honestly, flights these days, and especially a last minute flight, is like, it's wild. It's absolutely insane. Okay, the rain is picking up, so I have a feeling that's all you can hear. Quick pause. So I thought to myself, I could overpay for a flight, or I could spend the whole weekend by myself. Sounds like a dream. Sounds like an absolute dream. So yes, this is the kickoff to my solo weekend. Solo weekend plus Margot. I don't even know the last time I spent a weekend alone. On my way home, I'm just gonna hit up this one thrift store. My mom lives about like an hour and a half away from us, so we always meet in the middle. And I've been to this store before, and I was like, well, if I'm over here, I might as well pop in. What else do I have to do? There's no nighttime routine tonight. There's no kitchen cleanup tonight. There's no bath time tonight. There's so much time to kill. Bop around in here, see what I can find. I do have a couple things on the list. I really want to find a nice outdoor table and chair set. This morning was so beautiful, and I just really wanted to like eat breakfast with the kids outside. Can't do that. I have no table situation out there. So I want to start working on that. I recently just posted like my summer thrift list. Scarves are on that, polka dots, dresses. I really want like really pretty flowy dresses. So I feel like those are some pretty strong items to look for. That sounds like a great thrift haul to me if I found those items. So let's head on inside and let's see what we can find on this very rainy day. To try it on before I just walk away. I feel like I like it, but I like it just because it's like older. I don't know if like the color, if it's necessarily my color palette. I might regret it. I'm gonna leave it behind. I feel like this one is cool. New York girl in the fall. I like the pattern of this one, but I know like the material and the fit of it, it's not something I would wear. Let's try this one on. Add to cart. While I am loving polka dots right now, this is not quite the cut. Oh, and it's by Shein, so I'll leave this one behind. I did find this polka dot button up from Express. I almost got it, but I saw that it had pit stains. I don't know how you get these out. So if you have any tips, please let me know in the comments down below. Wait, I just found one open Okay, hear me out. What if I try to turn this into one of those lace, like sheer skirts? Success. That was incredibly fun. I only spent $2. I only spent $20. I'm sorry, but this belt, yes. The pearl necklace, I feel like I keep picking these up in stores and then putting them back, but I recently watched Because I Said So with Diane Keaton, and she was wearing these layered pearled necklaces, and I was like, yeah, I need this look. $2, which is actually the lowest. I'm thinking of the spot that I normally find the pearl necklaces. They're always $10 each. And I think that's why I walk away from them. This belt. I wanted it to fit a little bit lower than it did, but I don't know, it was just too cool to walk away. Maybe like with a different outfit, it could look different. Anyways, I got a couple other things I will show you later. That was so successful. That was so fun. It is still raining. I did not find any dresses that I liked, so I feel like all that has done is just left me with like an itch to scratch. So I wasn't planning on thrifting tomorrow, but I might have to thrift and try and find some dresses. But I am gonna head home. I don't know, maybe order pizza. I don't know. Watch a Nancy Meyers movie. I don't know, you know? I'll see you tomorrow. I've been loving doing these random giveaways on my channel. This is one of the most recent ones. It was a handmade crocheted poncho. I don't know, it's just been like really fun bringing home pieces that maybe I wouldn't wear or I think that you guys would like. So definitely always drop me a comment of what you're thrifting for, because sometimes I see items that I know I probably won't wear, or maybe they won't fit me, but they're just so good. They're too good to leave behind. So I love that I have you guys that I can just do a fun little giveaway. So I need to mail this one out. I'm gonna go grab some paint while I'm out because I think I'm gonna do a little painting project. I say little. I always think it's gonna be little. I think it's gonna take me like just a couple of hours, and then 3 days in, I'm like, well, what have I got myself into? But I think this one is going to be like a minimal touch that's going to completely change the whole downstairs. So yeah, that's the plan. I've been wanting to do this for a while now. I love the look of a slightly darker door and trim than your wall color. I went with the color Accessible Beige by Sherwin-Williams. Anytime I've messaged somebody asking them what color their paint or their doors or their trim is, it's always Accessible Beige. I feel like it's just the color that looks good on everything, with every lighting in every house. Kind of a foolproof color. Eventually I'm gonna do the entire trim, but that seems kind of like a daunting project. So for today, I'm just gonna do all of the doors, just the trim around the door. I feel like it's gonna add a nice little pop. I'm always trying to find ways to make this builder grade house look a little more expensive and a little more custom. So I feel like it's just going to be a simple way to just elevate the downstairs. I'm going absolutely rogue and not taping anything off, but I'll probably change my mind at some point.
Drive today, and the women wouldn't help me, and I have all this money now and no dress. I'm gonna expect.
I don't understand what's going on here. Listen, everything all set for me?
upcycled, thrifted. So think about what you might need. So all I need you guys to do to win this challenge is guess what you enjoy. That I hope it adds a nice little pop to your room. I like that, Roz.
Okay, that is how the cowboy should have done it.
$150.
Love that print.
It was
I love those horse prints.
I love that you are showing people that even if you do not have a built-in budget, you can create the look of a built-in. Built-ins, I would have done maybe a bit of...
I have my basket full of thrift finds. I thought that I was gonna go thrifting one more time this weekend. Turns out I did not have time. Yeah, painting took up the whole weekend. I love the way that it turned out. So good, so much better than I had ever imagined. It just instantly like elevated the whole house. If you're looking for a small project, budget-friendly project to really elevate your space, paint your doors and your trim, your baseboards. I did end up doing everything. I did all the baseboards down here, the doors, and the trim around the doors. I absolutely love it. I'm missing my crew. The house is getting eerily quiet. Pick up my kids today once Rowan wakes up from her nap, so I'm very excited for that. Well, let me go through this little $20 thrift haul. I showed you some of these items in the car, but kind of do a better job here. First is the lace tablecloth. So pretty on its own. Not exactly sure how I would actually go about this. Might have to talk to my mom about this one. But I mean, it could be such a cute, it could be cute. I have to do a little research, but so pretty. Worst case, I just found a beautiful lace tablecloth. Of course, the pearl necklace. It's such a cute way of adding like a pop of style to a very simple outfit. Wearing jeans, an oversized t-shirt, and then you throw on this long strand of pearls. It's just like a little chic touch to a tomboy outfit. So I love that. Yeah, so cute. Loving the pearls. I grabbed 2 books for the kids. Books were 10 cents. I think they were like 10 cents a piece. So the cutest little Winnie the Pooh Valentine book and this ABC book. My kids love books, so they're gonna be very excited for their little gifts. This belt, I think the belts ended up being like $1 a piece. But I think so cute. Obviously not with this top, but yeah. I also grabbed this one. I wear a lot of basic tops paired with jeans or a plain skirt. And I think just adding little pops of chicness to your outfits just really like adds individuality to a very basic outfit. My glass dish, I'm gonna put this on my vanity, this on my makeup vanity, have lipsticks in there. Actually put my lip pencils in there. I need a place for all my lip pencils to go. The jackets. Last video, I was like, no, of course I don't need any more jackets. And I got 2 more. Whoopsie. Love this one. Look at this gorgeous, it's like a gorgeous shade of brown. Love animal print. Like a silk lining. The tag is cut out, so I'm not sure what the material is. And I love this one. It looks like a patchwork. It's not, but it kind of gives like that patchwork look. So cute to style in the fall. Giving cool girl city vibes. It's also giving grandma chic, and that's a great combo for me. That was my $20 thrift haul, my solo weekend. I am feeling so recharged. I'm missing my people like crazy. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I will see you in the next one.